Robh Ruppel, born c. 1963, is an artist best known for his work on role-playing game products. Critic Joseph Szadkowski of The Washington Times has referred to him as a horror genius. Early life. Robh Ruppel grew up in Bel Air, Texas, and attended high school for the performing and visual arts in Houston. His parents were Roger, an architect, and Judy Ruppel. Career. Robh Ruppel worked for TSR for several years beginning in 1992, producing cover and interior art for products from the Forgotten Realms, Dragonlance, and Ravenloft settings, among others. In 1994, he began producing artwork for the Planescape setting as well, which constituted the majority of this career with TSR. When TSR was purchased by Wizards of the Coast, he also illustrated cards for Magic: The Gathering. Ruppel worked as a teacher at the Art Center College of Design in Pasadena, California, where he previously studied industrial design and illustration as a student. Robh Ruppel is a production designer and concept artist working in games and feature films. He art-directed Meet the Robinsons and Brother Bear for Disney. He won Best Art Direction for Uncharted 2. Works. Role-playing games. The Gothic Earth Gazetteer. 1995. Robh Ruppel at Pen and Paper Archive.